how do you solve these kind of questions? Let us see. I will just give you some 5 minutes. Try it out. Let me know. 4, 18, 48, blank, 180 to 94. Okay. You need to find the missing term in between. Take your time, 5 minutes. Okay. It is 7:56. Okay. Until 8 o'clock. Try it out. Okay, let us do the first step as we all know. What is the difference? 14. 14. What's the difference here? 16. 30. Okay. What's the difference here? 114. Now you need to find the difference here. This also is unknown. Now you need to find the difference over here. This is also unknown. For two unknowns, we are completely unsure about what to do. Now, first step, what you're going to do here is, so first see the difference over here. What is this? 16. Okay. It might be multiples of 16 or it might be plus 2, plus 4, whatever it is. It might reach until 140. This is what we know. Okay. What's the difference between these two? Sorry? 98. 98. 70. 84. 114 minus 30. Minus 30 is going to be 84. 84. So in between, how many variables should you find out? This one, and this one. So three variables you need to find, right? This is 16. Obviously, this need to find out. This needs to be find out. This needs to be found. Now we need to know three different variables. So take the average of what's 84 by 3? 28. 28. 8 3s are 24. So ends with 4. So it is 28. Okay. So now we want three different variables. Okay, three different variables. Now in these three different variables, either all three can be 28, 28, 28, right? 28, 28, 28. Or it can be something like 20, 28, and this 8 will get added up to this becomes 36. Or it can be 18, 28, and this can be something else. It can be added up. But all together we need to get 84. That is the main challenge. Okay, fine. Now, what we are going to do is, we do not know the variable, so just fix the center one as 28. That's it. Just keep the center one as 28. If this is 28, something plus this is going to give some value. This plus this is going to give you some value, right? That is what the main idea is. So if I keep this as 22, what is the difference between these two? 6. 22 and 28, the difference is 6. Now, if I am subtracting 6 here, I need to add 6 over here. This becomes 34. Now the difference between this is 6. So 34. So now all these are just assumptions. It might be right, it might be wrong. Okay, fine. Now let us see the sequence, how it is forming. Now this is 16. Now from here 22 has to be added. So it becomes 52. 52. 52 plus 28 becomes how much? 80. 80 plus 34 becomes 114. Yes, it is coming up right. It is coming up right. Now here 48 plus 52 becomes 100. So this becomes 100 plus 80 becomes 180. 180. This is satisfied as equation. So this is the value is 100. Value is 100. Now, what if I have taken something else here? Give it a try. If I'm taking something else, for example, if I'm taking like something like 20. 20 means the difference over here is 4. And here the difference is going to be 4. I cannot do it. If I'm taking 23, the difference over here is going to be 7. From 23 to 28 is it 7 again? It is 5. So it won't work out. Anything if you take, it won't work out. Only this difference will work. Okay. One assumption you're doing is in between you're fixing this as 28. So then the entire show starts. Huh? Okay. Different method. Okay. In which method you got? Sorry? Okay. Okay. 14 is 2 into 7. Huh? Okay. 3 into 10. 4 into 13. Then 5 into 16. So as per your thing, this is going to be 14. This is going to be 30. This is going to be 14 into. So how you got 7, 10, 13? Okay, adding 3 to it. Adding 3. Okay, adding 3. Okay, do it. Okay, do it. As long as you're getting the answer right, fine. No issues. Okay, clear? Okay, now let me give you a different one. Now let me give you a wrong number 6. Then I'll go back to something else. 4, 11, 39, 163, 8, 23, 4, 9, 4, 7, 3, 4, 6, 3, 9, 3, 4, 6, 3, 9. Now, what kind of a series is this? Multiplication. Obviously, it is jumping drastically. So find out which is the wrong number. Wrong number. Everything will follow a pattern. A specific number won't follow a pattern. Now, see, one quick tip. So whenever you're getting these kind of multiplication series, do not start from beginning. Start from the end. Okay. So now, approximation method. What multiplied by this approximately will give you 34, 639. 5 into 6 or 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35, or like 5 6 are almost, it comes around that. almost it is like 5 into 7 will give you almost 34,000. Fine. Now, what number multiplied will give you this number approximately? 8 into 5. 8 into 5 sir. 8 5 sir, it will approximately give this number. All these are just approximate values. This one 7 5 sir or 6 sir here. 8 6 sir 48. Yes, this becomes 6. This becomes into 5. This becomes approximately into, yes,
34629.
34639. 34639. Approximate.
4947.
Sorry?
49477. We got 346.
You're telling the answer?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Answer is not this. Answer is something else. Wait. Okay. So now this is almost like multiple of 4 times. This is going to be multiple of 3 times. This obviously needs to be multiple 2 times. Fine. All these are approximations. That's all. So now next what you can do. Yes. Next what you can do. 4 into 2 times multiplied plus 3. 11 into 3 times it becomes 11 into 3 is 33 plus 6. Okay. 39 into 4 becomes 40 into 4, that is 160. 4 minus 156. 156 plus 7. Okay. This one 163 into 5 becomes 16 5s are 800. So 3 into 5 becomes 15. 815 plus 8. Now if you see the sequence here is 6 7 8. Obviously this has to be plus 9. This will be plus 10 something, right? Plus 10 plus 10. Now if it keeps on going this way, obviously here all these things follows a sequence, but this one is not following a sequence. Obviously the previous number should have been plus 5. If this was plus 5, this was plus 5, this value should have been 3. This value should have been 3. So this is the wrong number. This is the wrong number. Fine. This is the wrong number. Yes. What the answer? You got it in a different way. This is the wrong number. So now here the entire question is given or the entire sequence is given. You just need to identify which is the wrong. For this, the trick to be remembered is do approximation and then add up and subtract. Want to take up a different question? Sorry, take up another similar question of this. 19, 24, 33, 43, 55, 69, 85. Small one. Do it. I need the answer from you people. I'm not telling any answers. Yes, which is the wrong number? 19. Which is the wrong number? Here it's a very simple one. It's not multiplication. It's just a difference. 24. Sure. 24. So what's the difference between these two? 5. What's the difference between these two? 9. Difference between these two? 10. 14, huh? 14, 16. So here it is like 10, 12, 14, 16. Obviously it should have been 8. So this is the wrong numbers. Because of this only, that is also going on. Yes, right. So because of this only, that is also going wrong. If you are wrong, means your friend also will be wrong. That's it. So that number should have been 23. If they ask, the question is, what should have been the number? Instead of 24, what should have been the number? So it will be 23, right? So this will become 6, 8. No, it should be 25, I think. 25, then it becomes 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Fine. Okay, now take this. 293, 256. Okay, just go in this pattern. 215, 172, 125. What will be the last number? Find out. Let's see how many remember your basics. What's the difference between 293 and 256? 37. Okay, next. Yeah. 41. Yeah. 43. Okay. Yeah. 47. Huh? So what is going to be the next one? What are you going to do here? It's 37, 41, 43, 47. Plus 4, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2. Okay. 49. Okay. Next, you're telling prime number. Okay. Which is right? The prime number or this one? So what I say, whenever you get any sequence and immediate difference is going to be a prime number series, do not go to the next step. It's going to be a prime number. Do not go and check for the differences. If you're going to check for the differences, again, this is going to be 49. Answer is going to go entirely wrong. Next prime number is 51. 51 now. 51 is not prime. 53. 53 is the next prime number, right? This is going to be the answer for it. So answer for this is 125 minus 53 is 70. Fine. 43 is the prime number. Clear? Any doubts? Online? All clear? Prime number series. Okay. Now let me get you into something more trickier. 43, 52, 36, 61, 25, blank. 43, 52, 36, 61, 25, blank. How will you solve? 74. What's the sequence? Squares. Okay. What's the difference between this? 9. Difference between this? 16. Plus 16 or minus 16? Minus 16. Minus 16. Okay. This one? Minus 25. Plus 25. This one? Minus 36. Minus 36. Here, one mistake what you people tend to do is, in urgency, minus and plus, you interchange it and you mark the wrong answer. There are more chances of this. So now, in these kind of scenarios, there is another approach which you can use. This is also a method. I'm not denying this. This is also a method. If you are very sure about it, then you can go to that. Else, what you can do is alternate sequence. All these are alternate series. What's the difference between these two? 43 and 36. Plus 7. Between 36 and 25, 11. Plus 11. All these are plus. And this 52 and 61. Sorry, 9. This is 7, 9, 11. Obviously, the next one is going to be 13. From 61 to reach 13. From 61 plus 13 is going to be alternate series. Where this one is clear. In that, there are chances of confusion. Okay. Now, take this one. I'll just complete this question. Then you can take it. 8 minus 64 minus 154 minus 286. A wrong number. Find the wrong number. Find the wrong number. Yes, answer. Not so long. What's the difference? Minus 2. Here, minus 2. Sorry, this is not 32. This is 22. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Minus 12 is going to be here. So here, things are going to change here. Okay. This one, minus 24. Minus 30. Minus 30. Okay, next one. Minus 56. Huh? This one, 80. Minus 90. Okay. Next one, minus 132. Okay. Now, next, what's the call next? Okay. Do the double difference. Find out. Instead of double difference, can you do something else? Sorry?
36 is the wrong number.
36 is the wrong number. Huh? Okay. Okay. Let's see. Wait. Okay. Do the all do double difference and check it out if it's coming right or wrong. Quick. Jaldi. Answer. Wrong number. Huh? Everything is even. No, you do double difference, you will get the answer. Or what you can do, this is going to be 2 into 1, right? This is going to be 4 into 3. This one 6 into 5. This one 8 into 7. This one 9. This one minus. So 2 into 1 is going to give you minus 2, minus 12, minus 30, minus 56, minus 19, minus 132. So the given sequence is entirely right. It's right. Okay, they would have given you options telling some wrong answers, and they would have also mentioned the given question is right or the given sequence is right. Okay, so they are clear or having confusions. It's not
Clear.
The given sequence. Okay, wrong number sequence is good, right? So I'll give you some more examples here. 3, 8, 17, 36, 73, 146, 297. Find out the wrong number. 3, 8, 17, 36, 73, 146, 297. It's just, is it going to be multiplication or division or a subtraction? What is it? Let's see who is identifying this. I should get a timer, I think. Wait, this time. The timer is running. Only 30 seconds for each question, not more than that. 4, 2, 1, 0. Start. Done. Answer.
297, sir.
Sorry?
297.
Answer. So this is the wrong number you're telling. Okay. How are you telling?
3 into 2 will give us 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 into 2 plus 2.
3 into 2, 8 into 2. Okay, next one.
8 into 1, sir. Sorry, it's 8 into 2 plus 1 will give us 17. So 17 into 2 plus 2.
Okay.
So 36 into 2 plus 1. 73 into 2 plus 2. So all
Okay.
are multiplied by 2. So plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1
Okay. So 146 into 2.
will give us 292.
Okay. Will give, yes, you are right. So 146 into 2 will give us 292 plus 1 will give us 293. So now the answer in the end should have been 293 as per you. So you are telling this is the wrong number. But because of this number only, this number is getting spoiled. Instead, if this number was something like 148, that would have been 296 plus 1, 297. So this number spoils the entire game. The answer is 146. Okay. So now I understand your scenario where you are telling 146 into 2 is going to give us 292 plus 1 is going to give us 293. So this end result is wrong. Most probably, the last number won't be wrong. Okay. It can be the first number in between or any other number. Most probably the last number shouldn't be wrong always. Only the previous numbers should be wrong. So keep this in mind. So this is the right answer to this question. From here to here, any number can be wrong. Last number won't be wrong for sure. Okay.